back with us, the president, the CEO, and the chief designer of Temp-tations. She's tablescaping
yes,
tonight.
I am. Thank
with
you.
all of your own pieces.
Oh, yeah, I'm in the Knotical, our summer shells, all of these great, like, warm weather's here. It's time to get outside. These are going to be those great go-to pieces to do just that.
All right, now, we featured this choice of back on April the 10th, and since that time, 800 have been ordered. Now, this is called your shallow bowl for $17.98.
Right. That's 2
Or
quarts.
set of 2 bowls for $22.98. Tell us about the pattern.
Yeah, so this is what we call nautical. So this is completely embossed. What does that mean? When I run my fingers here, if you get in nice and close, you'll see that all of this is completely sculptural. Then there's a glass glaze that's applied, and that's what brings all of that dimension to life. When I tip it forward on the inside, you have that same beautiful raised detail there, and it's, of course, in our beautiful starfish all the way around the edges. This is your 2 quart, what I like to call a low profile bowl or server, and then you're also going to receive, or your choice of, a 2 quart beautiful bowl with that gorgeous rope detail around the edges, scallop detailing, and then the 1 quart as well. And will everything nest? Oh, it absolutely will. If you can swing it and get both, look at how great this is. Now you have the entire collection, and I designed it so it all nests together and you can tuck it away.
You know what's nice about this shallow bowl? Great for pasta. So if you're serving either pasta salad or you're doing pasta with red sauce, pasta and meatballs.
Love.
Would be great with that. You know what else would be nice in here? Ramen.
Oh,
would be very nice
great
in here.
idea.
But if it's very brothy ramen, maybe one of the deeper bowls.
Genius.
It all depends on what you love. This is Puffy Pop coming up a little later in the show.
And this is the mint. So there's 2 different colors to choose from. You can either get our beautiful classic white, or here's that mint. So no matter which one, we only have the 2 colors. Yeah. And I love the idea of mixing and matching here.
Oh, I love the shells.
Isn't that fun? Because again, our pieces aren't just for food.
I mean, this would be great anywhere in the house, but follow my logic here. Put this on the back of a toilet tank.
Oh, love that.
Put it on the bathroom countertop. And these are just shells that you collect when you're out walking, right?
Absolutely. And you can take something like this and turn it into a centerpiece. If you've been collecting our white woodland, if you've been collecting our carved willow and white, this is what I like to say is kind of your barbecue summertime pattern that's going to coordinate back perfectly with these.
I mean, you put a couple of Luminar candles in there.
Love.
A few shells, maybe some polished glass that you buy at the beach store.
Perfect.
And just fill it full of whatever you're looking to do. And remember, this is still stoneware, so this is oven safe to what temp?
Yeah, oven safe to 500 degrees, which means you can literally broil in it, so thank you. So a beautiful mac and cheese to go along with Jimmy Stovall's amazing chicken bites. I love, again, the fact that it's naturally nonstick. It would be good in there. You're right. Look at that. So even heating all the way around, I'm not either. And by the way, this is 1 quart. So a lot of times I hear from you like, we love your big bowls, the 4 quarts, the 3 quarts, but we want the smaller everyday size. This is that. You're getting the 1 quart and the 2 quart, or you can choose that 2 quart shallow baker. But look at the detailing there. This is what I'm so proud of. The fact that they're completely carved, they're completely embossed, and then that glass glaze is what brings that pattern truly to life. You can see them all right behind us over here.
It is also dishwasher safe.
Yes,
So remember, if you want to pop this into your washing machine, or your dishwasher, not your washing machine, then it'll be kind of loud and clunky in your washing machine. This is going to be important. And if you are doing things like serving chips or some kind of snacks at a party, or you're looking for something to serve your pastas in, remember, stoneware keeps hot, but it also keeps cold.
Yeah, and with the elongated, I like where you were headed, David, the fact that you could keep your mayonnaise-based salads nice and cold, but also think about this for like a pork loin or for like your asparagus, for the things that you want to keep the length on. That's why we love a low-profile bowl, because of presentation.
A prime rib roast with veg.
Gorgeous. Of course you were. With a little horseradish sauce.
On the side.
Of course, on the side.
Maybe in this bowl or in a little rammy.
Love that.
Or maybe just a little drizzle right across the top. I mean, it's all up to you.
Well, you know, if you're picking up both, again, remember, you can split these 2 and use them individually. So I love the idea of maybe a hot dip in here and then maybe putting your chips in here. So this is why I designed them so that, again, you're picking up either the 2 quart or the 1 quart in our traditional bowls, or you're picking up that low profile, what I like to call server or baker.
Now, white by far is most popular. We also have it in mint. Now, mint is more nostalgic. So if you're looking for something that will really kind of take you back to those days of rented beach cottages.
Yes. This is right up
Family
your alley,
vacation.
isn't it?
Oh, I love.
I knew you would love this pattern.
Now you're going to tablescape with some of these, yes?
Yes, I am.
Which ones are
Absolutely.
you taking over the table?
You want to grab the sand, or I can
be
grab
glad
the
to.
sand? Are you coming with
I'm
me?
happy to.
Oh, let's do it. And I'm going to grab these chicken bites. Are you kidding? And so what I did with that beautiful 2-quart bowl is I put the flameless candles in there, the Luminara, because again, now it's going to be the centerpiece. You want to put that right in the center?
Right. Oh, in the
Gorgeous.
dead center.
Dead center.
Dead center.
That's our centerpiece there.
You're the boss.
Love it. And then I'm just going to give a little nod to our food right there on the side. Notice that we already set it with all of our beautiful carved willow detail, and then we also have some other pieces. I love the idea of putting your silverware in your crocks here. So again, it doesn't just have to be, or this could even be for a bottle of wine.
You know what you could also do? Buy 2 of these and then wrap your